This is Alard, item Y4609. Pardon the backlighting. It is a Vanmark 8-roll continuous brush washer peeler. And has a nice all new PVC, or I guess it's fiberglass control box with new controls. It has a variable speed for the metering discharge auger. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see much in there. Yeah, I guess you can see. It's got 8 rolls. Right now it's set up with a combination of brushes and abrasive rolls, but of course you can set it up any way you want. That's a little better look. Everything's nice and clean in here. There's the nice catch pan underneath, stainless steel, catches the peels and the water for water recovery. Center discharge. And we've got the end open here to show you how nice all the drivetrain is over here. All nice fresh belts and everything ready to go. You see the central lube system here, of course. So before we get started here, I just wanted to say, as I mentioned before, this has a combination of brush rolls and abrasive rolls in it. If your needs are different than what we have, I mean, this can be configured with all brush rolls or all abrasive rolls as you need. Give us a call at 315-589-4511 to discuss your particular needs. We also have bigger peelers and smaller peelers, and we can set peelers up specifically for you. So here's something else you should know about the panel. It has a safety interlock system. There are safety switches upper and lower inside both the side doors. And we were just having a little laugh because I wanted to know where the switches were. They're so professionally installed, you wouldn't know they were here, but they are. There's one here for the end door. And there are 2 more under here for the doors on this side. So if you open the doors, you can't run the machine. It will cut off power of the machine, so nobody can get their hands in there while things are spinning and moving and get into trouble. Now, we do have this panel off. It bolts on. We don't recommend that you run the machine. Obviously, with this open, this would be a potential pinch point in here, so keep that all bolted on and bolted down. And if you take it off, lock the machine down. But we do want you to be able to see something so that when we run the machine, you know the wheels are going round and round. So we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on.
One button starts the peeler and the auger.
All right.
As you can see with the safety switch system.
If the door is open,
light.
get a red light. Okay.
Means the safety switch is not made.
Nice.
And to start.
And it does what it's supposed to do. Runs nice and smooth. You can speed this up or slow it down. controls the amount of time in the scrubbing or peeling chamber. There it is. It's a Vanmark 8-roll peeler. We can set it up, as I mentioned, with any combination of abrasive and brush rolls. If you have questions about how you want your peeling machine set up, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And in the meantime, if this is the right one, it is Alard item Y4609 in stock at Alard Equipment Corporation in refurbished, excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment.